Good morning everyone. So I just went to office. I am just gonna make breakfast for myself. Almost तैयार है, बस चाय बनानी है. That's my breakfast. One paratha with some butter and a mug full of chai. And my today's agenda is to clean the fridge. My fridge is a mess right now. I really need to clean it. So I'll try कि आज मेरा fridge clean हो जाए. And also I want to edit my second day vlog as well for my Leh Ladakh trip. My first day one vlog is already up. और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपने देख भी लिया होगा. And जब तक ये vlog भी अपलोड होगा, I think मेरा second day वाला vlog भी अपलोड हो चुका होगा. So go and check it out. Alright, so I really need to clean my refrigerator. It's a mess right now. And let's clean it now. Let's get started. So my fridge is really clean right now, and I washed all these trays as well. So जितनी सूख गई हैं, I'm just gonna put them again into the fridge. And ये सारा सामान बाहर है जो कि ख़राब हो जाएगा इतनी गर्मी में. So I'll try जितना भी फिट आता है करूँगी. फिर बाकी सब जब सूखेंगी I'll fit it then. So my refrigerator is all clean, though it's still overloaded, but it's clean and smells good, like freshly cleaned refrigerator. What's better than that? Just took bath and it's raining outside. थोड़ा सा mood भी बदल गया है. ठंडी हवा चल रही है. It's really nice outside. I love the fragrance. वो जो गीली मिट्टी के ऊपर बारिश की बूंदें पड़ती हैं, वो जो खुशबू आती है, it's so good. और वो अभी fragrance आ रही है. Oh my god. Shit. एक पेड़ अभी गिरा है. Look at this tree. तो ध्यान ही नहीं दिया मैंने. पेड़ गिर गया. Thank God ज़्यादा कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ. Bikes are all good. I don't know किनकी हैं, but this is so risky. और पूरा I guess road भी block हो गया. It's so risky. I really wanted to wash clothes today, but it's raining right now. दो मैं अंदर सुखाती हूँ कपड़े, but still, should I wash or not? I'm very confused. My one more order came from Amazon. Again, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था मेरी last video में, that I am getting into organizing more, so I ordered few of more organizing things. Let's open it and I'm just gonna show you what I ordered. So this is what came in. I was not sure about the color, so they sent me this lavender colored box because option नहीं थी color choose करने की. And this box has grids in it. So basically ये जो मैंने मंगवाया है, this is basically to store your undergarments, especially your undies, so you can keep it like in every grid. So yeah, and this will perfectly fit in one of those drawers जहाँ पे I keep my personal clothes. So yeah, I am not in the mood right now to organize my drawer. I'll keep it in the almirah right now and I'll do it tomorrow. अभी क्या मन कर रहा है, अभी हो रही है बाहर बारिश, मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. कपड़े मैंने धोने लगा दिए हैं, पर I am feeling really hungry and I think I'm just gonna make myself Maggie. Just made myself Maggie. This one is that atta Maggie. With vegetables. So I am preparing dinner, and for dinner I am making aloo nutri, that's soya chunks with some potato. So we just had our dinner and now I am eating this sweet dish, spongy rasgulla. Yummy. I try to avoid sweets at night, but sometimes it's okay. And I got one more delivery from Amazon. 9:30 हो गए हैं रात के एंड इस टाइम की डिलीवरी हुई. I ordered few more baskets to organize. I'll show you tomorrow or maybe today only after eating that spongy rasgulla.
Hey, you
So those were the boxes. अभी बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है कि मैं उनको unbox करूँ. So I'll do it tomorrow and I'll show you what baskets I got. So I'll call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.